Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss on the brief review of AI history, what is artificial intelligence, related research field, and scope of the course. Early work around 19. Representative George Bowles, Alfred North Whiten's, Bartlett's, A.W. Russell's main contribution, Boolean algebra, principal mathematics. PM was an attempt to describe a set of axiom and inference rules in symbolic logic from which all mathematical truth could in principle be proven. However, in 1931, Gödel's incompetencies theorem provide definitely that PM could never achieve this loft goal. Early work, 1930s. Preservatives, Alan Turing's, Claude Shannon's, John von Neumann. Main contributor, theory of computing things, machines, Turing test, information theory, applications of Boolean's algebra, Von Viennams and model computing machines. The first wave, representative, John McCarthy, Marvin Lee, Harv Alexandria, Alan Newell's, Edward Aldous, main scope, LISP, Sumter networks and frame general problem solver and experts. Second way, representation, David Romhart, Rofi Jordan, John Holland, Lauren Forgel, Ingross, John Koja, main is learning of the MLP, fast, genetic algorithm, evaluations programs, evaluation strategy, genetic program. The third wave, representative technology, Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, deep learnings. A brief summary, early work, theory of foundation, first wave, reason with given knowledge, second wave, learning based knowledge equal to third wave, learn in cyberspace. Current status of AI. In March 2006, AlphaGo on DeepMind's defeated Lee Seals. This is the way we can improve. Do you think AI is a good or evils? Super intelligence should be tool for unify the human beings, support them and live together with themes. After all, what is intelligence? Intelligence is an umbrella term used to describe a property of the mind that encompasses many related abilities such as capacities to reason, plan, solve problem, to think, structure, comprehensive idea, use language, and to learn. Intelligence can be defined as the ability for solve problem. Problem solving is to find the best solutions in the problem space. Reasoning is to interpret or justify solution or solve solutions. Planning is to find way to solve the problem. Thinking abstractly is to simulate the problem solving process inside the system. Idea and language comprehensive is a way for data, problem or knowledge representation. Learning is the process to find better way for solving a problem. What is AI? Textbook often define artificial intelligence, the study and design of computing systems that preserve its environment and task action like human being. The term was introduced by the John McCarthy in 1956 in the well-known Dartmouth Conference. In my study, an AI is defined as the system that processes at least one of the abilities mentioned in the previous page. A rough classifications of AI: system that thinks human, system that thinks reliability, system that act like humans, system that act rationality. Related research field: research and optimization, knowledge representation, reason and automatics, provide learning and understanding, pattern classification, planning, problem solving. Search, brute force of the search, deep first, breadth first, burrow search, hill combined search, best first search, algorithm, intelligence search, genetic algorithm, meta heuristic. The 3MP maps for knowledge acquisition. What is the input? Map from real world to the mind model. What is the output? Map from the mind models to the real world. What is the relationship between input and the output? Abstract the world. Real world problem representation, learning, knowledge representation, real world. Representation method, representation of the problem state space, representation vector, representation of the knowledge, product rule, semantics, networks and ontology, predictive logic, fuzzy logic, neural work, learning and the modern algorithm, neural network learning, evolutionary learning, reinforcement learning, artificial immunity system, fuzz logic, decision tree and hybrid system. Scope of course: search, problem formulation and basic search algorithm, expert system based resolving, problem system, semantic network and frame, logic based reasoning, propositional logic and predicate logic, soft computing based reasoning. Scope: machine learning, pattern recognize, self-organization, neural network, decisive tree, intelligent search, genetic algorithm, and colony optimization. Purpose of this course: learn how to use the basic search method, understand the basic method for problem formulation, knowledge representation, understand the basic idea of automatic reason, know some basic concept related to the pattern recognitions and machine learning. Homework for lecture 1: write a report using 500 words in English, 500 characters, to describe how to do this kind of and this is the way we can improve, this is the way we can develop, this is the way we can understand different kind of research, different kind of map knowledge acquisition, what we have to charge right on the learning model you heard from the TV and other publications. If you have any kind of question regarding these things, you directly can communicate with us. Thank you.